This is Gary Wales. It's Cinco de Mayo. This is John Maddox. Say hello, John Maddox.
Hello, John Maddox.
And we have been having a hell of a day here. John has come over and is giving hopefully the final coat on the woodwork that we've got finished on La Bestioni number 8. And it's really, really excellent. And it's fun. I just want to show you the process. It's put it on, sand it and put it on, sand it, put it on. Let me show you something. This is the finest varnish in the world. Alfonso, 40 bucks a quart. And it really is worth it. Because boy, when it is done, it is the damnedest looking stuff you've ever seen in your life. It is absolutely, it's alive. So anyway, that's what John is doing. This was polished up yesterday and the day before. Now here's a few things that's coming along that you haven't seen, and at least all together and installed. That's the battery box. This is the toolbox. They're being fitted and formed and set on there. Now we've also taken off the exhaust manifold. I'm taking over tomorrow and having the pipes bent for the exhaust system, but I want to show you something else. I have kind of like Steampunk, and this is really an interesting piece. This is, or was, a heater from a shower in Buenos Aires, Argentina. This part right here was the inside where the coils were to heat it. This is the outer section of it. I'm using it as the exhaust, and the manifolds go into this here, and you can see this is what it looked like. And we've been polishing, or I've been polishing it and getting it ready to go. I've got end caps in copper for it. And tomorrow I go and get the pipes done, hopefully. And it's coming along really well. So I just wanted you to see, this is some of the processes that